tech company Cognition has introduced AI software engineer called as DEVIN that can develop websites, softwares with a single prompt. In short, DEVIN is the world's first AI software engineer that can write code for you, that can create websites for you, that can create softwares for you with a single prompt. Yeah, this AI tool is not intended to replace entire human engineers, you can say, but as per today, it is one of the best AI tools available that can assist human software engineers as an AI model. And guess what? DEVIN has also qualified all the major tests that sets the standards to be a software engineer, and it has performed absolutely good, and it has outclassed all the available AI models out there in the world. So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about DEVIN, the new AI software engineer. So let's get started. So first of all, if you are someone who is into the field of software engineering or artificial intelligence and you want to try out what actually the DEVIN is, so I am provided the link in the description. You can click on this link and you can apply for the early bird offer so that you will be joining the wait list. And as soon as this model gets revealed to the normal public, then you would get a bit of preference over others and they would send you email or something like that. That happens generally like with Google LLM model or every other model out there. So yeah, you can click on the link in the description and you can apply for the wait list to try out what actually the DEVIN AI is. So if you are someone who is new into this field and you have heard a lot about, okay, something like DEVIN has come and you don't know what actually it is and you are quite curious to know about this. So let me tell you in short, in today's world, means till today, the websites, the softwares that are generally built by humans, generally 100% they are built by humans. But what if I tell you, then those software engineers have built something that can replace them. So this is something that DEVIN AI is nowadays what engineers do is they write their commands, they write their prompts, they write a heavy line of code, they understand huge code bases. So instead of that, they have built something super cool that can understand huge code bases for them, that can write thousands of lines of codes for them, that can fix the errors, fix the bugs, and it can provide you a fully fledged working model. So how cool is this? I mean, I have viewed the demo videos of DEVIN on the YouTube. I will show you what are those and you can also view them, and they are super cool. I mean how it is analyzing the problems, it is fixing the bugs by itself. So that is super cool thing, because fixing the big bug is something that was, we can say that was on the favor of human software engineers, but now DEVIN has the capability to do so. So that is pretty cool. So this is the official website of Cognition Labs. That is the company that has built this DEVIN AI software engineer. So it is introducing DEVIN, the world's first AI software engineer, and setting a new state of art on the SWE bench coding benchmark. Okay, so we are the DEVIN's capabilities without error. So you can read from there. So these are the videos I was talking about. Means you can get the link through the descriptions and you will be directed to this website only. And here are the super cool demo videos of this. Means I have watched out few of those, like this one, how our AI engineer finds bugs. AI trains AI. AI finds bugs and fixes them. So that was a super cool video. I've watched it completely, and these videos are not so long. They are demo videos. They are created by developers who have created DEVIN actually, and they have made 2 to 3 minutes of demo videos of each of the features of DEVIN, and they are super cool. You can click on those videos and you can watch them out, watch actually this AI model is capable of, and the first impression is quite amazing. So you can try that out. And this is the thing that I was talking about. SWE bench means this is some kind of a platform that creates a benchmark that, okay, this is the benchmark, means this is the topmost level, and you can compare a model about how much accuracy it is performing with. So when it is compared with all other AI models that is present out there in the world, like ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo or GPT-4 or Google LLM model that is considered quite amazing. So see how much it has outclassed them all. Before that, the models are performing up to an accuracy of 4.8% only, and DEVIN is 13%. So that is quite a jump, right? So pretty good. So you can read about what Cognition Labs is, and they have raised around $21 million funding. So that is a well-funded startup. Not a startup, that is a good company because it is developing so much amazing tools. So yeah, that was a brief intro about what actually the DEVIN is, and you can watch the demo videos out there. You can join the wait list. I have provided you the link in the description. You can join that from there so that you can try out what actually this model is, how it works, and what is the features it provides, and is it really helpful for you or not. So let's try it out whenever we get this access. Till then we are waiting and let's see what comes next. So yeah, if you like this video, then you can please don't forget to drop a like. You can ask any doubts if you have in the comment section, and I'll be getting the next video. Till then, goodbye.